So what I've got here is the AnkerMake M5. It's a high-speed 3D printer. When you first get it, you do have to set it up, but it is fairly easy to do. And then it does come with this quick start guide. So once you already set it up, this is what it looks like. I already have my filament connected and everything. They give you a base plate to print on. Turn it on, there is a switch in the back of the machine. You can see right here, if I just turn it on, you just give it a few seconds and it will turn right on. You have this screen right here. When you first start it, you'll most likely need to update the firmware. I already did all of that. So right here would be the settings that you can use to set up everything. This would be, it gives you some print tests if you want on the local drive, but to put your own, you can either connect it to your phone app, or right here is a USB-C. So I use a thumb drive and then I just have a USB-C adapter. So if I just stick that in and then I click start, just give it a second and then it will register this part right here. So right there it has popped up. So I'm going to print that as an example, but to go back, you can preheat the machine to get it ready. That's what I'm going to do right there. So this is the control where you can move it. This would move the base plate right there if you need to. And then this is where you would put your filament in. So the filament goes through here and then it goes through the machine right here. So I have my filament, and it also comes with this back area right there that you can just put on the side. This holding it makes it easier to go inside. But it's preheating right now, and then you can retract or extrude if you want to take out and change the filament or put it in. And then, you know, you can lock the motor, offset it, auto leveling, but I mainly use these two right here. And then it's preheating right now. If I wanted to start, I would just click on that. But before I start anything, on the side right here, this right here is a camera that you can watch your projects, like a time lapse. So you can watch your projects. I don't really use this that much. It's okay, but I don't really need to watch my projects or anything. But the plate is getting hotter, so this is also magnetic that they do give you. And then I'm going to start this project right here. Click on it, and then it will give you all the information. It'll start it, let it analyze. So it's preheating right now, and then it's going to start to get ready for printing. I already printed a lot of different type of projects on this. You have to play with these settings. Even though it's super fast, it can sometimes mess up the print. You just have to play around with the speeds and things like that. I mean, for normal, simple projects, you can just leave it at its default setting. Also, you can use the AnkerMake software that you can just download to your PC. And when you're doing 3D prints, everything is by millimeters, so the plate isn't that big and it can't go too high, about right here. Also note that these right here, it does get dirty because it's like rubber that's constantly moving back and forth. So it will get dirty. You just have to like vacuum it up is what I do. So with the printer, I've actually created multiple things already. And the prints actually came out pretty good.